Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Hunger Games. And as you see from the title, I formed a career pack, and later on in the video, I accidentally killed one of the recruiters. Two reasons. First, I really wanted to kill. Second, I had no idea it was her. Because there was two people in the server who looked like her. So I didn't know who was who.
Sorry I didn't talk, but let's speedrun
this next round. Alright? Daniel's the second one. I also tried to make a video with him like in the past, like about a month ago, but it got corrupted. So, that's why it didn't post. Don't know why I didn't get, I don't know why it got corrupted. Maybe it might come back, but for now, I don't know. I'm gonna see, like, in this game, you should try to scatter out which is like the best, you should try to scatter out which is the best weapon or item you can grab. Chances are you'll grab it if you aim directly for it. Like for me, I don't need any other supplies. I just need a weapon, and if I get a regular sword, I'm probably gonna try to find poison. Alright, I'm gonna bring out my dagger. Any weapons? Sorry, I didn't scan the arena. Alright. Oh, no. I thought I got a sword. Alright. I'm gonna try killing this guy. If I do, I get a strong weapon. Oops, sorry, Daniel. I know for sure that's Daniel. Come on, I need to kill the guy. I need to kill him. Because if he is, he can drop a weapon. Do you know how to drop? If yes, can I have the axe? Oh, he doesn't. Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks. Someone gave me a sword. Ooh, another balloon. Bread. Whoever's supposed to give me that sword, thanks, because you just got me an axe. Yes, thanks, Daniel. I'm gonna need to bring out my axe and maybe this compass. My compass. Alright. Okay, now I know where everyone is. Daniel, I got a compass. Oh, I was about to say that. I was about to say. But this is one of the games where, like, well, to be fair, you should be in Hunger Games. You're supposed to. I mean, to be fair, you're allowed to cement a career pack. Like in Murder Mystery 2, Innocence and Sheriff's is supposed to team up, not Murder and Sheriff. And in that egg game, actually, I don't know if it's okay to team in the egg game. We'll just see. Same. I feel like I'm gonna let Daniel win this one. Excuse me. Burped internally again. Oh yeah, and if you probably know if you notice one of my videos is missing, but that's because it got blocked. Because I'm still kind of new at YouTube, even though my channel's been out for close to a year. But I still don't know the basics because I'm still a kid. Ow, not that arrow. Oh, she has a trident. Alright, I'm gonna assist. Oh, okay, I killed her so I can get the trident. That trident. Daniel's like, oh, I guess he wanted to kill because he hasn't drew blood yet. I mean, Daniel, you drew blood in the bloodbath. No, seriously, he literally slashed her neck. Or his neck. I'm gonna let you win anyway, though. Oh, water? She didn't have any water. She had no water, though. Can someone sponsor some water? Oh, the drought. Oh. Let's use our compass. Okay, there's 2 people over there. They're either forming an alliance or they're beating the heck out of each other. I hate when I try to chat and it barely goes through. Oh, yeah, they were beating each other up. Let's go after him or her. I don't know. Don't know the gender. But all I know is I want this kill. Wait, I'm gonna make a deal with Daniel. Like, I want this kill and then he can to kill me. Let's make it. Because then he would. Oh, it needs water. Eat fish. Didn't you get any fish? Or like fruit? Let's make a deal though. Oh, someone sponsors some water. I kill her. You kill me. I kill her. You kill me. Because I know I'm going to be able to kill her. Okay, maybe I shouldn't get too arrogant. Oh, her name. Oh, that was Sweet Potato. Alright, you can attack. Why can't I? Okay, you can. Really at that. Oh, wait, no. Sweet Potato was the one I was trying to invite to the career pack, and she was the one I accidentally killed. Alright, GG. Technically, if me and Daniel turned on each other early, both of our levels, I mean, you're level 4, which is still pretty good, impressive, considering there's other people out to demolish you. But if you're level 4, that's still pretty good, but I'm level 8, and Daniel, I think he's level 9 or 12. I'm not sure. All I know is Daniel is higher level than me. I'm gonna ask her if she joined the career pack. Alright. Me, her, and Daniel. Sweet Potato, Daniel, and me. I don't know. Alright, and yeah, Daniel's still here. But Daniel has brown wings. I have green skin. And you have that same costume earlier. Okay, I'm in District 7. The District of Lumber. Alright, 2 game makers. There's either 1 or 2 game makers. Not often there's 3 because the server has to be completely full for there to be 3. And for there to be District 12. It's actually hard to see District 12. But in those servers, it's impossible to win unless you're the highest level and there are no alliances. I mean, if there's alliances between level 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, and 6s, or 7s and 8s, when you're level 12, you should be fine. But if they're full of 9s, oh, you're dead. Maybe we should let her win. Alright. Let's get this over with. Alright. Ooh, luckily there's a poison sword right in front of me. And I'm gonna grab a lot of blood. I'm gonna go after someone. Alright. When I'm killing someone, I have to go in 3rd person. In 1st person, I can barely see it because they're gonna be jumping out of the way. Alright, got her. 1 kill in the bloodbath. 2 kills. Alright, careers, back to the cornucopia. So we can like plan out what to do, or if any of them have a compass. Because I don't believe I do. Oh, wait, what happened? But what happened? Oh, God. Maybe still tell me what happened. Well, thanks for the bread. You guys need anything? No, we're good. Not right now, though. Not yet, though. We actually don't need anything right yet, but that bread's probably going to come in handy. Okay, right now the best disaster to trigger when you have all 3 game passes, the bread bonus, dagger bonus, and watermelon bonus, would be the famine game pass. I mean the famine disaster. Okay, he's okay. Daniel's okay. I was curious if he was alive. Daniel's strong. We should not expect him to die pretty quickly. Hey, Daniel. Maybe I'll have a chance next time. Possibly. Who's... Someone sponsored me water. Thanks. Oh crap! I'm bleeding in real life. Oh dang it! Blech. Oh, still? Oh my god! This wound is so bloody. What the heck? So I barely look at the screen. Yeah. Oh god. Oh, he can't go. Hofmutz. I was barely looking at the screen. I was just running randomly. Well, no, not really. Run, Andrew.